Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a GMC Terrain hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually on the driver's side, often near the door sill or beneath the dashboard. Once you find it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a click, indicating the primary latch has released. This action will slightly pop the hood open, preparing it for the next step. With the hood now slightly open, you'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is a crucial step for safe operation. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach underneath the front edge, usually near the center. You'll feel a small lever or tab. Push it to the side or pull it up, and the hood will fully unlatch, allowing you to lift it completely. Now that the hood is fully unlatched, carefully lift it all the way up. You'll then need to secure it in the open position. Look for the prop rod, which is typically a metal rod attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Swing it out and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot above the closed position. Don't just drop it. Finally, press down firmly on the center or sides of the hood until you hear both latches click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.